Alright, so hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partners Cash and Millzone, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, a quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Alright, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets, and if you want to learn a strategy to trade with, then stick around, because that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Alright, so I hope you guys are having a good day. I am in a pretty good mood right now, okay? We had a really long night, and I have some nice music playing on the YouTube stream. I like it. It's nice and vibey, and I have a good feeling about this session. All right, so let's have a good one. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. All right, I'm just checking out the chat right now. Let me know if y'all can hear me loud and clear, okay? Yep, awesome. Thank you, guys. All right, listen, also, if y'all haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel as yet, go ahead and do that, okay? Help us out, have the stream open. All right, just type in Forex Trading. Cash is unwell, she's sleeping, or I would have asked her to send the link across, but if one of you guys could please do that for us, I'd really appreciate that. If you haven't hit subscribe on the channel, go ahead and do that, and let's also just help us hit the algo. Okay, thank you, Zero. He sent the link, all right, you guys, so go ahead and get that taken care of for us, okay? I like Goldie. I want to be watching gold. Okay. Alright, maybe we can look at a breakout on gold that looks something like that. Guys that are on YouTube, do y'all hear the music? Is the music overpowering, or is it just fine? Do y'all hear it? I love it, man. It's vibey. It's got me in a good mood to trade these markets. Okay, solid sells are kicking in for gold. We could have taken that, but it's just we're super close to news right now, you know what I'm saying, so we don't need to be stressing anything out. Let it just do its thing, and if the sells want to still kick in, then we'll catch the sells below the 4H support. Okay. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Anyone in on anything at all? Nope. Okay. Alright, so this demand zone is also going to act up as a supply moving in now, so let's change that up to supply, and maybe we start to look for positions that look like this, okay? And then of course the bigger break of structure is going to be there. Yes, watch out for yours. 1189, that doesn't sound real. Make sure it's 1189, but yes, we do have jobless claims. We have news in the next 7 minutes, so watch out for your spreads, okay, you guys? What are your spreads like? Especially the ones on the funded accounts, what are your spreads like? Let's take a look at the indices. They're fine for me. Yeah, they're fine for me as well. 1189 is unreal. That's 120 pips almost. Nah, it couldn't be a glitch. They're probably just fucking with you. Sorry, excuse my language, YouTube, but it looks like that's probably what's going on. I can believe that. $19, that's 1.9 pips. 2 pips is a great spread. Okay, you guys, y'all don't need to be stressing out with 2 pips. D30 is 1506. Scamper, what broker are you with, buddy? Hanko? Nah, man. My spreads on Hanko are just fine. My dirty spreads on Hanko right now are 1.2 pips, and my nasty spreads are 1.8 pips on Hanko, bro. Fixed? Okay. Okay, sounds good. Yep. Milzone, we need to figure out how to get music on the streams, man. Check YouTube out. It's so freaking vibey. I love to be trading like this every single day. Yeah, man. Is the music too loud, or can you guys still hear me? Because I've got headphones on and all of that good stuff. So I'm chilling, man. It's fun. It's fun. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. We'll get that taken care of soon, okay? As long as y'all can hear me, though, it's all good. Oh, too loud? Awesome. Okay, we'll get that taken care of. Cool. Let's look at this area on the dirty. To be fair, Milzone, I don't know how to reduce the volume. I saw the option and I just clicked the longest one and I put it on loop. You've got to figure that out for me, bro. Yes, news is in 4 minutes. That's correct. Let's take a look at gold. Do we need to have any updates on Goldie? Let's see. I like this region better on gold. Okay, let's have safer entries. Let's get rid of that supply up there. This is gonna act as supply right now. Let's see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get rid of nasty if you guys are okay, because I want to be watching gold in the dirty. All right, so let's have gold in the dirty open on one shot, and my wife is sleeping, so I don't need to be trading Nasdaq today. Okay, we'll have Nasdaq open over here for the ones that want to be trading it. All right, but for news, I want to be watching the two of these. Okay, 3 minutes to go for news. Let's see what happens. Okay, I like both these setups. If the cells want to kick in over here, then of course we're looking to short these markets from down here. Stop loss somewhere in that region. Okay, use the 10 pip rule, the one-on-ones, or the 20 pip rule, whatever you think works for you, and we could have this nice little sell down here. I still do like the buys, okay, but y'all know how these markets out. They could do what they like, and we're just gonna have to play along. Okay, all right, I'm gonna get in on a little buy feeler, and I'm gonna set an order up in that zone. Okay, you guys, so my one-on-ones, y'all know it. I wouldn't recommend y'all setting up orders. Y'all know what what price can do, especially if you guys are on the funded accounts. Okay, so don't be setting up orders that are too crazy. Get in on a feeler. If you're going to be trigger finger, well and good. Y'all know how it is with the funded accounts. They usually end up wrecking y'all, but the ones on the individual accounts, it's all good. Okay, ones on the funded, just wait for price to do its thing. Wait for the first candle to open up, and then we'll see what can be done after that. Okay, cool. So I'm in with the buy feeler. Stop loss is going to be down below that candle. What are you guys trading? You all trading gold, or are you all trading the dirty? All right, that's gold now. Okay, you guys, that's gold. Let's switch this over. Boom, supply kicking in there as well, and those are the gold buys. That's the dirty buys coming to the upside. Okay, so this is news, you guys. Cool. So that's an opening candle. Boom, 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 look at gold. Okay, all right, so we've got negative news for jobless claims. Okay, negative news around the board. Gold is pushing. I reckon the DXY is tanking at this time. Fucking hell, I was looking at this, I got triggered in on this. Okay, you guys, I'm running by 1500 900 break even. All right, a little negative right now, a little drawdown. I'm gonna hold it. I'm not in with a very big position, so I'm okay. Okay, I'm gonna have my stop loss about here. It's a Corolla for me that got triggered. If this goes against me, it's all good. I get stopped out over here, but if not, I'm gonna give it room to breathe. How many of you guys caught gold? Gold was the move. I should have been trading gold, but anyone catching gold? Missed? It's fine. Wait for the first candle to open up, man. It's all good. My stop loss for the dirty is going to be down below here. Okay, so if it starts to break down, I'm good. I'm just going to get stopped out. I have a hard stop that's set up. Okay. Look at gold, man. Who's fucking trading gold right now? This is unreal. Who's got gold? Anyone in with a feeler or anything of that sort on gold? My 420 friend got a W on gold. Awesome. Primal 420. Didn't want to risk it. That's good, camper. Missed as well. It's all good, guys. It's all good. This week has been a little wild with the markets. Yeah, man. Tell me about it. Welcome to Zoom, my man. Look at gold fucking flying, okay? This was the move. I wish we were trading this, but it's all good. I'm in on gold. Awesome, Jared. Make sure to realize profits, okay? Because just as fast as this candle went up, the second candle can come tanking back down, all right? So be mindful and realize your fucking profits. Look at gold. Soaring high, soaring high. Intense. Quick W on gold. Congratulations, Kurt, my man. Took 0.5. Lovely. I love hearing that, okay, Jared? But we're banking anyway. Yes, sir. I just got 3 quick W's. Beautiful. Damn, caught 70 pips. Zero caught 70 pips on gold. What the fuck, man? The party's on you. Congratulations, Zero. That's intense. Intense. If you caught 70 pips on your Lambo, man, good on you. For real. As for gold, I should have opened the position before the news. I didn't understand. Well, no, you could set up orders. Look at gold. Look at gold. Okay, look at gold. That's freaking intense. All right, let's see if I get stopped out of my Corolla on this. Okay, if I do, it's all good. It's only a Corolla. We'll make it up. There's no problem with it. Another 1.5 for me today. 2 days in a row. Connor, congratulations, brother. That looks good. Listen, you never jump out too soon. All right, Jared. We've spoken about this on the sessions as well. Don't be greedy. Follow your rules, and that's the only way you're not going to be trading these markets emotionally, okay? Because if you're going to think that you held on for too long, or for too little of a time, I promise you, these markets are going to take your account away, okay? So it's all good. You made the profits that you made now, whatever it is, 0.25%, 0.5%. Remember, before this setup, before this session, you didn't have those profits, okay? So be happy with what you've got, and just keep smiling, my man. It's all good. Congratulations. Congrats to anyone. Bro, my feeler is running. Massive $3 on a Fila camper. That's good stuff, man. $3 on a Fila, which I'm guessing is 10 cents. That's a good move. $3 a pip. That's awesome, man. 70 by $3 a pip. It's good profits to me. Okay. Focus on pips. 100%. Always space. Damn it, guys. I should have been fucking trading gold. I was watching this trade for so long, but it's just that this breakout started to look so good to me that I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna trade the dirty. And y'all know me, I'm a sucker for the dirty, okay? I love trading the US 30. Didn't want to FOMO. Good stuff, good stuff. Quick 10 pips on gold. USD tanking hard still. Yeah, that's why gold's soaring up. Puppy. I don't even have to check the DXY. It's just obvious that they are sharing an inverse relationship now, and that's why gold is pushing up. I can only assume that the DXY is tanking. Oops, look at Nasty. Nasty didn't really give us anything, so I guess it's a good thing that we weren't trading it. Not all the time, Papi, not all the time. When there's a relation, it's good to spot it out, but they're not always moving that way, bro. Alright, so look at me. Whilst you guys are banking your pips, I'm waiting on this move to play out like a fool. I'm gonna set up another order for a slightly bigger one this time, you guys, up in that same region where I got triggered for my Lambo, okay? Well, where I got triggered for my Corolla, okay? So that's what I'm looking for. If we break up there, that looks like a really nice breakout to me, okay? We could also look at the break of this region. That looks pretty nice as well, okay? So we have the impulsive break, the retest, just the body rejection to the wick fill. That zone on Goldie right now is about 20 pips. So you need to ask yourself, are you going to be quick enough to get in and out of these markets with 20 pips if you're going to be getting in on the retest and the rejection? If the answer to that is yes, knock yourself out and get in, okay? But if you're not going to be able to pull out, or if your spreads are too bad, or if you just don't feel confident, then wait for it, guys. There's really no hurry. There's really no stress, okay? And the dirty hasn't even given us an impulse into our box yet. All right, so let's just watch. Lots of sellers coming in, okay? So now what I'm starting to think is they need to come lower before we start to go bullish, all right? Let's see how they hold at our demand here. That's about a 40 pip stop loss for me on my Corolla, which is not too bad. My Corolla is $5 a pip, and I'm okay with that. Guys, listen, if someone tells you that they don't have losses, they're lying to you 100%, okay? Don't be listening to that person. Don't be watching that person stream. Don't let that person populate your mind, okay? Because I'm gonna be extremely clear with you guys. Losses are part of this game. With our strategy and the way we trade these markets, we're not telling you guys we don't have losses. 100% we have losses, but we make sure those losses are feelers. We make sure those losses are Corollas. That's the way our strategy works, and this is how we trade these markets. So far, it's been going really, really well for us. It's been going really well for the community. So take those L's with pride. Just make sure those L's aren't your Lambos, okay? That's all I'm trying to say. Okay, what trades are you guys in? What are y'all looking at right now? Sorry, you guys, my camera is being funny. Just give me a second. Okay, we're up and rolling again. When the moves come to us, what are you guys talking about? You know, I'm a sucker for aftermarket open trades. Nothing is of now. There's no rush for real. The dirty now is looking good. Yeah, it's starting to look good. They're picking up support. All right, which is why I'm still invested on this trade. Yeah, it's been a pretty shitty week, Space, for sure. No, it's been a volumized week. So the thing is, we've had a great week, right? At Forex Trading, I've seen some other streamers, they've had a terrible week. But us over here, we've had a pretty solid week. We've had some really nice moves. We've had people hitting their profit targets. It's been pretty crazy. I've been getting DMs, and I'm sorry to the ones that I haven't replied yet. I'm really sorry. You'll know how bad I am at doing that. But a lot of people are hitting their targets this week. So it really doesn't matter how these markets are. It's how we trade these markets. That's what matters at the end of the day. Because there are going to be shitty markets. There are going to be choppy markets. There are going to be volumized markets. There are going to be really good markets. But if you're not, if you don't have the right risk management, if you don't have a good strategy with it that goes with it, and if you don't have good analysis, there's no way you can make money anyway, right? So it's all good. This week's been solid, but we've had very weird volume this week, and I think that's what Space has been trying to say. Previous week was chop. Agreed. The past 2 weeks were extremely choppy. This week chop, and last one was very good. Awesome, man. Good for you, Space. Okay, they're holding, they're making us wait. There's no movement, nothing happening on the dirty. Y'all can see how choppy Nasty is getting as well. I'm just in one trade right now, you guys. There's nothing too much that's happening for me, and it's okay. I'm not stressing out. If I get the move, I get the move. If I don't, it's all good. There's always gonna be tomorrow, okay, you guys? Forex fam is life changing. Cheers, my brother. Working to get my second funded account very soon, Cram. Awesome, man. I can't wait to have that session with you, bro. Looking forward to hearing from you. Okay, look at the solid setting pressure kicking in. Come on, Dirty, give it to us. Fucking give it to us. Okay, retests on gold. Okay, there you go. They're finally maybe kicking some volume in. So maybe the 15-minute momentum was what we needed to move. Let's see if we're going to get the move, okay? There's a solid chance that we don't even get it right now, you guys. There's a solid chance that we start to get rejected from our supply. But let's see. Let's see. Wait for a candle to close in our box if you don't feel comfortable, okay? I'm going to get this move, and I'm going to walk away a really, really happy man. Yep, that's what I've been looking at for quite some time, Lunatune. Let's take a look at the higher time frame. Okay, looking good. Does the closed captioning actually work on Zoom, you guys? I see someone keeps enabling it, but does it actually work? TXY is tanking further. Awesome. So maybe we can get another retest of the high on gold, right? Okay, so like we thought, the supply kicking in over here. Let's see, you guys. I'm waiting for that to happen. Do y'all want me to chart up maybe a forex pair for y'all? What do y'all think? Does anyone want to trade GU, or do y'all want to trade maybe some oil? Do y'all want to trade anything of that sort? What are y'all thinking? Anyone wants some more charts? Okay, let me know. If we have a couple of people that want it, tell me. We'll get it done. Because there's not too much that's happening in these markets right now. Oil, GU. Alright, listen, you guys need to tell, one of y'all needs to tell me, well, not one of y'all, I need to see more freaking chats, more people messaging and letting me know what y'all want. Okay, we have 40 people on here. I want at least 40 replies on that chat telling me whether y'all want another chart or not. Otherwise, I'm just not going to do it straight up, you guys. Okay, I'm going to give it a minute, and whichever one has the most, I mean, if you guys want GU, we'll do GU. If you want oil, GU. Okay, I see quite a few GUs. All right, whilst I'm doing this, okay, give me a second. Zero, throw on that link once again, my man. Okay, 6 likes on this. Listen, bring this up to 20. Let's have 20 likes on the video, and I'm gonna charge GU for y'all. Okay, so I'm watching the likes right now. Bring up the likes to 20, you guys. I don't think that's too much to ask. We have 40 people on here. I think y'all can just hit that link and just hit like. Bring it up to 20, and we're gonna charge GU for you guys. Okay. I know, right, Rapid? Tell me about it, man. Cram having a rave while trading. That's the point, man. That's it. That's it. We're chilling. We're chilling, making money, and living life. Gotta get the volume under control though. I'm gonna do that from the next time, I promise. But yeah, let's get those likes up, okay? Do we have 20? Do we have 20? Let's take a look. The fuck, you guys? We got exactly 20. Alright? Y'all could have given us 30 as well, but it's all good. Okay, I'm gonna start a chat up GU fail. Thank you guys so much for doing that. Listen, the same ones that are on there, if you guys haven't hit subscribe as well, go ahead and hit subscribe on the channel, okay? Just give us a little bit of a head start, and we'd really appreciate that, okay? Everything that we're doing right now is purely organic. There's nothing more that we're doing, so if y'all could just give us a little head start with the likes and help us beat the algo, we'd really appreciate that, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna chart up GU for you guys, but just give us a second. Let's see how this candle wants to push, and let's see if we're gonna get that move. There you go. There you go. Okay, I'm back on break even on my Corolla. Alright, let's see if this candle wants to hold up or if it's going to get rejected, okay? Because it could get rejected and then maybe this trade is still not ready. But let's see, if they hold up above our supply, then this is looking good, okay? Because the reason I say that is this. Okay, we need to break past our trend line, close above there, and then maybe have a retest and then continue to push to the upside, okay? So that's what I'm looking for. There we go, we're having a little bit of a rejection. Okay, let's just put a nice little alert over here so I'll know if I get triggered in on this trade, and I'm gonna chart up GU for you guys, okay? Watch out for Nasty as well. Nasty may be coming into a little area as well. Okay. There you go. Look at that, the dirty. I got triggered in, you guys, and I am running by 1200 on this trade. Alright, I got triggered in at this area, and I'm running by 1200 on this trade, 1500. I'm just going to change this to break even because I don't want to be stressing with this trade, okay? 33755, let's go. Boom. Alright, I'm in a risk-free position now. I'm running by 1500 bucks, which for me is not too many pips. It's about 3-4 pips, but it's all good, okay? So if we get the move, we get the move, and I just got stopped out of the trade. Alright, I got in. I could have pulled out my 1000, but it looks like this trade isn't ready right now, so I'm okay getting stopped out at break even, knowing that the trade isn't ready, okay? So now if they want to close in our box, and if they want to maybe give us a little bit of a continuation, then I could look to get right back in, but we've identified some pretty hard supplies sitting right up there, okay? So let's see what they want to do, and we'll take a call accordingly. Let's see the close of this candle, and then we'll head right back to GU. Okay, we don't need levels over here on the 4H. We look good. Alright, so who from the one-on-ones can tell me why we got rejected on the dirty? I'm gonna watch the chat. Why did we get rejected on the dirty? Cheers, Space, if you're still here, buddy. We have just one person. Come on, we want some more answers. Why are we getting rejected from up there? Trend line, yeah, that's right. Okay, man, you guys are lazy. Okay, we do this for you guys every day, and y'all don't even want to type into the chat box. I'm not gonna lie, that's annoying. Okay, but it's all good. If you guys think education isn't important in these markets, then that's on you. Okay, and you're gonna realize really soon that without having the knowledge, you're not gonna be able to do anything in these markets. Yeah, I know, right? That's ridiculous, Kappa. US 30 still creeping in. Nasty? Nasty's trying. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Alright, Nasty's an impulse as well. So why did it get rejected? Cram, GGFX were rejected because of the trend line, like Zero said. Okay, so if I had to go ahead and draw a trend line from here, and we covered the uptrends and the downtrends, look at that, we're also building into an apex, into a demand, and this is where we're getting rejected right now. All we need to do from here is that, and that. Break, retest of that trend line, and a continued push should give us our move to TP, which will be up here. Okay, so that was the level that I was supposed to be looking at for GU. Let's update that. Catching a new level right there. Let's take a look at the RSI. Break is 70, okay? We break up from here. Sells on GU here, buys on GU up there, okay? Damn it, man. Freaking Ness, and the Dirty is just like, it's playing with us today, isn't it? Nasty got rejected. We're coming back down here. Most likely to create our right shoulder. Waiting for Lambo entry. Camper, you want to wait for a nice impulse to close before any sort of Lambos come in, okay? Technically, not a single impulsive candle is pushed into a box. Look at that. Not a single impulsive candle. Nasty is not doing anything. It's probably because Cash is asleep. It moves to her spells and it's not moving right now, okay? One that close and retest. Yeah, man, tell me about it. I'm just waiting on it, right? So this is the early momentum. This is the early swap that just happened. We need to see if that's going to be enough momentum for us to kick in. I have an order that's set in the same place as the last time. You guys, the ones on the one-on-ones, y'all that know, y'all know. I don't want to be talking about orders to the people that are new on here just because it's probably going to get them to lose their accounts. Okay, so alright, so we have bearish momentum kicking in. Let's see if we want to hold right there. What other music do we have here? Soft hip hop. I like hip hop. Okay. To learn. Sorry, you guys. I was figuring out music for YouTube. Yeah, possibly, man. A lot of patience required today. Kyle, a lot of patience required all the time in these markets, buddy. We can't be impatient. Yes, there are some days that are pretty crazy. There are some days that are crazier than the others. There are some days that we get moves quicker, but that doesn't happen all the time, alright, buddy? Gold? Yeah? The sells on gold look good over here, okay, you guys? Those were the buys, these are the sells. Alright, getting into the sells right now. If you guys want to be getting in on gold, watch if this is an impulse. But that's the move. Okay, and if you're trading this right now, you should be up. Alright, you should be running by 8 to 10 pips right now on this move. Ugh, I hate the dirty. I hate the dirty right now. I wish we would have just traded gold to begin with so we could have called this a session, you know, that one candle. I wish I would have just traded that. Agreed, Jared. Agreed. Which is why we wait for the impulse to close in, right? A bigger break of structure on gold is going to be down here. So when the sells kick in from our 4-hour support, this is where things are really, really gonna you're gonna see things really start to pop. Okay, now we have to see how dirty reacts around there. Let's take a look at these. Okay, kind of an impulse on GU, but not really. Okay, let's take a look at the dirty. That's a good TP on the dirty. It's looking good to me. We could get into that area. And this should be about 35 pip move. But we've got potential to break, okay? We've got potential to break all the way up there, okay? So if that move happens, you're talking about 70 pips, okay? 70, 72 pips. Alright, so gold didn't break into our area. No impulse close. No nothing of that sort. GU, okay? If anyone's trading GU, that's the impulsive candle push. Okay, Nasty is holding at the EMA. Let's take a look at the EMA over here. Alright, we're still holding at the EMA on GU as well. Fuck man, this looks good. I want this to play out so badly. And it's gonna suck because this may not even happen on market open. It may not even happen on market open. It'll probably happen the second we end the call. That's when this move might happen, which is what annoys me. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Any of you guys? Are y'all trading anything? Or are y'all just waiting? GBP Thela, just watching, waiting. Okay. Okay. Be careful on GU, okay? Could just pick back up and go up top. It hasn't been overbought in a while. Solid chance that if we start a break. But if you're in on a Thela, have your stop loss up there and you should be okay. Yeah, it's only a Thela. I'm chilling. Sounds good, man. Ah, look at the fucking dirty now. I hate this. Okay, so that was just a fake impulse on gold. I think we could go right back up to test our test our highs up there. Okay. Picked up solid. Why? Okay, one-on-ones. Question for you guys again. Why did we pick up from this area? Why are we picking up momentum? What exists in this area? Because of which we're picking up momentum and going right back up. Come on, you guys, let me know, alright? I know that I have a lot of my one-on-ones on here. There's a solid... There you go. Rapid, my man. Rapid. Okay, just what Rapid said. Look at the chat, alright? We have a zone of demand that's sitting right here. How do we identify that zone of demand? Based off of these wicks, right? So we have buyers that are sitting in this area. This same zone acted as a zone of supply because we had... 1 second. I need to record this, you guys. Sorry. Educational content. I need to be giving it to you guys the right way, okay? Give me a second. Alright, so like I was saying, this region, what happens over here? It's pretty straightforward, it's pretty simple, right? Every time we push up here, like we did in this previous move, we pushed up, and this is a nice volumized green candle, right? So there were a lot of buyers that stepped in, and boom, from this level, which acted as supply then, and these levels of supply and demand, they keep flipping between supply and demand, right? So we picked up sellers from this level, and we nullified all of this bullish volume, and then of course the bulls stepped right back in from a demand zone down here, okay? But what's happening here now is they push back up, they're coming back down to retest the same zone which acted as demand here, and now it's acting as supply. And what are they doing? They're doing the same thing. When price comes down here, the buyers are stepping in, just like they made the seller step in over here from the same zone. Now the buyers are stepping in, okay? So good job, Rapid. Congratulations, my man. I'm glad that you're getting an understanding of these things. And listen, you guys, if y'all think supply, I understand that these things are boring. I understand that supply and demand can be a little hard to understand, but you're gonna have to try, man, because if y'all don't have an understanding of supply and demand in these markets, you're missing 90% of your entries and your exits, okay? We always pay attention to supply and demand on our sessions with the one-on-ones, because we realize, especially us, Cash and I, we realize that our entries are based off of two things: BOS, which stands for break of structure, and supply and demand. That's all that we do in these markets. Y'all know it, all right? We don't use indicators. We don't use anything of that sort. All we like to do is strip everything down to its basics, because that's how we make money in these markets, and it works, okay? So we don't need a complicated, we don't need to, there are 1,000 million other streamers out there that are complicating trading, and we don't need to do that, all right? We just need to be able to identify these things, and you guys need to get learning, okay? So there's a shit ton of content out there. Yes, I understand that the content out there is for views, which means that it's probably going to do more harm than good for you if you guys are going to go ahead and try and watch all of those videos. But nonetheless, all right, try to get as much information as y'all possibly can. And of course, if y'all want to be learning these markets the right way from us, we have the one-on-one sessions. We still have a spot that's open from yesterday, since we didn't have anyone take up that spot. So let us know if you guys want to get booked in. But the truth is, with these basics, if you don't have these basics, there's no way you're making money in these markets, okay? And I can't be more straightforward with you guys about this, okay? All we try to do and everything that we do here is just based off of the basics in these markets, okay? What basics? Support and resistance, supply and demand, the trends. That's all that we use. We use nothing more than that, Bangshi. Kram, I've messaged you to try and bring my next lesson forward. I'm going to try my best. I did see your message, GGFX. Just give me till the weekend. I'll let you know if it's going to be possible or not, okay? Because I do have a cancellation, but I also have a couple of people that I have to fit in. So give me a bit and I will let you know, all right? Shelby, yours is going to come in. Yours is going to come in over the weekend, okay? Don't worry. You're going to have your video over the weekend. These people are the live sessions, bro. So for you, I just have to record the sessions over the weekend. You're welcome, brother. You don't have to thank me. Ugh, come on. My fucking phone just froze on me. Okay, so they're still trying. They're still trying on the dirty. Pocket, you just messaged me, but aren't we booked in for next week, if I'm not wrong? I already have you on my schedule, brother. Yeah, GG, you're booked in for the weekend, bro. Okay, there you go. Finally, maybe a little bit of a move's coming. I'm gonna be really pissed off if this is gonna be another fake out, you guys. I kid you all not. If this is another fake out, it's just gonna piss me off. They attempted to close in our box. Let's see. Let's see if they want to get the move higher, okay? That works. Alright, close, retest, rejection. Alright, let's see if we break that. That's where I'm gonna get triggered in and around that area. So let's see, man. I just want to get that zone fill and I'm gonna call this a session. Okay, you guys, we don't even have to stay for market open if we bank our pips. Alright, actually, you know what? For the sake of YouTube, I'm probably gonna stay till market open. Alright, I don't want Millzone flying here and hitting me with a baseball bat, so I'm gonna stay for market open. Hey man, I'm just playing with you, brother, you know it. You're the best business partner anyone could ask for, man. Me and Cash always talk about that. You fucking asshole. I love it, I love it. Let's break it, okay? Come on. Come on, this one's been cooking for quite some time, you guys. This one's been brewing, it's been cooking. Let's try to get in, man. Let's try to get in. Will the break of that high be a Lambo? Well, it really depends on how you're trading these markets. Usually with the one-on-ones, the way we do it, bro, is we wait for a clean break with a Lambo, and if we don't have a clean break, then we're just usually using Corollas. But I've been waiting for this to play out for a very long time. So fuck everything. I'm gonna have a really tight stop loss, and yes, I'm getting in with a Lambo. I don't recommend you guys to do the same. You're on the one-on-ones. You know what it's like. It's all good, okay? If you have the risk management, you could be getting in. But I'm gonna have a nice tight stop loss on this one, and I want to bank on it, man. I'm tired waiting for this move to play out. I really am. Okay, nothing definitive as yet. Solid break from the 50, looking good. Let the volume kick in. My broker still hasn't triggered me in on this trade, by the way, you guys. I'm still just waiting. Still not triggered in. I don't even have to hit buy or sell. I'm going to get triggered in automatically, okay? So it went a pip ahead of where I should have gotten triggered in, but my broker didn't trigger me in. And maybe it's my luck. It's probably my good luck. Okay, so let's see. If we get the pop, I'm going to be in. That being said, this could also be the move in the next 10 minutes, okay? Just letting y'all know, this could be the move in the next 10 minutes. Let's see. Okay, why do I say that this move looks good, right? GGFX, you remember this? What are we doing now? We broke past that, and we're retesting it successfully, right? That little wick to the trend line is a break of our trend line and a retest. Now we need to hold at this trend line. We need to hold this as support, and then the move could still start a push, okay? But if it starts to come back below our trend line, it's gonna then be a little bit of an issue. Bullish divergence. I don't see any bullish divergence yet. Uptrend, uptrend, downtrend, downtrend. No bullish divergences yet, but yes, if we start to break that, then we're potentially coming into some bullish divergence. How's your journaling going, bro? I hope all of that's going well. Gold closing box could be good also. I agree. I agree. That's why we set this up. Ah, the dirty is being such a freaking pain in the ass right now. So is Nasty. I haven't looked at Nasty in quite some time. What's Nasty up to? Let's take a look. Okay. Good timing, alright? So this is why is gold open here? Okay, I'm sorry, that's the one. Alright, watch for the retest and the rejection on gold. Nasty is not doing anything. Neither is GU. Alright, so these are the ones that we have that could potentially begin to play out, okay? Okay, that's a cute little retest on gold. It's respecting our zone. Looks nice. Let's see if we start a breakdown and break that structure and push down on gold, okay? But the US 30 is trying. This could be ready to rip, you guys. Let's see, man. I'm gonna get so pissed off if gold gives us another move and the dirty doesn't. I'm just gonna call it a session, I swear. Excuse me, guys. Okay, I finally got triggered in on this. I'm gonna have a very tight stop loss, you guys. 10 pips. So I'm gonna have my stop loss in and about here, but I'm up on this right now. I'm running by about 2 pips, which is 600 on my account. Alright, with my lots. And remember, I'm gonna have a nice 10 pip tight stop loss over here because I'm not risking more than 10 pips on this, okay? And the second I see maybe 5 or 7 pips profit, I'm gonna just change it to break even, okay? Straight up. Alright, I'm at about BE right now on this trade. 2 minutes and 46 seconds to go for the last 5-minute candle. That being said, you guys, maybe we have to get the move for market open, which is still about 7-8 minutes away, okay? So we could get the pop right now. We usually have pre-market open moves, so I do believe that we could get the pop even before market open happens. But let's see, man. These markets are they're really testing our patience today, and we've got to take it easy, all right? So let's just watch. Let's just watch. Okay, I have this Lambo like a dog on a tight leash, okay? I'm staring at it non-stop. I'm not gonna let this thing go against me, all right? It is what it is. But I'm not gonna let this thing hurt my profits for the week. Pick it up. Come on, buyers. Pick it up. Okay, right at break even on this trade again. Okay, running by 1 pip. 2 pips, there you go, come on, push it. 2 pips. I want to just see 5 pips, you guys, literally. The second I see 5 pips, so the second I see 1500, I'm gonna get into a risk-free trade and just change this to break even. Straight up. Okay, 3 pips, 900. 2 pips. Let's see. Now, all of a sudden, my aim is not to make 10 pips on this, but it's to make 5 pips and get in a break-even position, okay? Because I don't care if this is going to hit my take profit or not, but like I keep telling you guys, what's the biggest thing that we need to take care of in these markets? It's securing our capital, preserving our already existing capital, not letting these markets take what's ours, okay? Making money is secondary in these markets, but actually preserving your capital is what's primary, because if you don't have an account, you can't be trading. If you don't have a capital, you can't be trading. All right, Kurt, timestamp that, bro. 1854. Write it down. Put that into one of our videos, okay, bro? Okay, look at Goldie. Anyone in on gold? Anyone in on gold? They're pushing. Fucking hell, gold is giving the move again. But be careful, okay, you guys. Look at that. And we're super close to market open. This is the last 5-minute candle. Alright, there you go. 1200. Show me 15 and I'm changing this to... There you go. 1500. I'm up by 5 pips. 1800. I'm changing this to break even real quick. 33762. I am in a break even trade. Finally, and I'm up by 2100. 2100 and running 2400. Almost 10 pips on this one for me, you guys. Almost 10 pips. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Give me my 10 pips and I'm going to walk away from these markets a happy man, you guys. I promise. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. 2700. Come on. Push. Okay, I'm at 9 pips right now. The second I hit my 10 pip mark, which is 1 pip away, I'm going to pull out 80% of my position and leave my runner with the break-even stop loss at 3,300. That's it. I'm pulling it out. Okay. Fucking hell. 3,600. I'm being greedy, you guys, because they made us wait so much. I'm pulling it out. Fuck it. Alright, so I pulled out 80% of my position for 27.50. Alright, and I still have $50 a pip running for 10 pips, so it's at 500 bucks right now, 11 pips, and this is at a break-even stop loss. Okay, so I made my 10 pips already, and let's see if we want to get some more. Alright, who caught that with me? Who caught this really small, annoying freaking move, but with the right money management, you can still get it done. W, awesome, man. Congratulations. Nice W on Dirty. Really tiny W on Dirty, but at least if you guys had money management, y'all could have caught this no problem, okay? So I'm running about 5 pips on my runner, 4 pips on my runner, and if it comes down by 4 pips, we get stopped out at break even, and this was still a trade that I personally would have made 27.50 on. 10 pips and happy. Congratulations, bro. That's the strategy. Okay, I'm up by 2 pips, so 100 bucks right now. 3 pips. Alright, this is just my partial, and I'm not even risking anything with my partial, even though it's only 50 bucks a pip, okay? I'm still gonna have this at a break-even stop loss, because I'm not looking for no more moves, you guys. I got stopped out at break-even. Alright, I'm not looking for no more moves. Jared, you could have told us Nasty was making a move. Okay, no sells though. I think you put that in yourself. Good stuff. Good stuff, bro. Okay, I like the demand that we're coming in. Let's look at Nasdaq. Let's switch things up a little bit for market open. Let's have maybe that area, okay? That area for market open. W on Dirty. Oh, okay, awesome, awesome. I was like, really? You're trading Nasty? Okay, Nasty has its supply down here, of course. I still like the continued buys on gold, on the Dirty. Okay, just letting you all know, I like the continued buys. I think that this could still be nice. That's what we could be looking at on Nasty. Okay, the Dirty's coming back down. This is market open in the next 30 seconds, you guys. What do y'all want to watch? Should I get rid of gold and have Nasty up here? I think that's what we should do. Let's have the indices. Okay, let's look at these buys coming in on Nasdaq, okay? And this again, if we get the retest rejection, we could be looking to buy this market as well on the Dirty, okay? So we are currently 10 seconds away from market open. Watch for these buys, okay? We could come back down here, boom, 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 and then start to push up, okay? Okay, look at that. That's an attempt. That's an attempt. They break that high and they're possibly coming up. Look at this. There's an impulse in on Nasty. I'm watching the dirty really closely, you guys. Boom, Nasty's trying as well. What are you guys in? What are you guys trading right now? Is it Nasty or is it dirty? "45 seconds, brace yourselves." Beautiful. Look at that. Okay. They're trying as well. Nasty's looking good. All right, Nasty. If we happen to break that high, boom, we're pushing to the upside. Okay. That's it. Come on. Who's trading Nasdaq? Who is trading Nasdaq? Break that high and you're going possibly to 12,990, 13,000, the daily resistance. That's where you're looking to test out next, okay? I'm out of all trades at the moment. Good stuff. Look at that. Damn it, I wish my wife was awake. Guys, this is a very, very choppy market open. Are you all seeing the shitty volume? Very, very, very choppy. This market open, okay? Look at that, look at that, look at that. They're pushing. Next stop. 13K. That's it. Who's trading Nasdaq? JJ, good stuff. Beautiful. Look at that freaking push on Nasdaq, and the dirty is just starting to drop. All right, but the ones that are trading Nasdaq, realize your profits, you guys. Y'all know what can happen over here. Take your profits and get out of these markets, okay, if you're trading Nasdaq. But look at that. They're just pushing. I want to see W's in the goddamn chat. I want to see how many of y'all are catching that, all right? Beautiful move. Millzone, you better be in on this as well, my man. W cut, good stuff, brother. Take out your profits. Pulled out 80%. Lovely. Lovely. Let's fucking go, you guys. I feel like the fool today because I haven't been trading anything. I've been chasing a freaking instrument that doesn't want to give me any moves, okay? Again, I wanted to trade Nasty, but the dirty was still looking good to me, so I just didn't pay attention to this again. It's all good though, okay? As long as you guys are making money, I'm happy. Finally, 1.2% today. Congratulations. Millzone W, lovely. Yeah, it really was a painful session. I'm not going to lie, guys. If you all thought it was painful, imagine how painful this was for me. All right? I was freaking out a little. I'm not even going to lie, okay? I had my Lambo, and y'all know me. I don't let my Lambos go against me, okay? And I had a Lambo floating in negative 2, 3, 4 pips, and I'm an actor, all right? I'm good in front of the camera. I'm able to sort of deal with these things fine. But the truth is, I'm also only human. You know, I had my heart beating just a little bit as well. My heart racing just a little bit as well. But I was confident and I knew that with the right risk management, there's nothing that can go wrong in these markets for me or my account. Okay, so that's what it was. I banked what I had to. And I am happy, you guys. This has been one hell of a session, man. It really tested our patience. We've been live for about an hour and 15 minutes, so it's definitely one of our longer sessions. And y'all know the way we do it. We like to have those quick ones. But it's all good, okay? W small dirty buy, W on big nasty buy. I love hearing that, my man. I love hearing that. Okay, and now this is still probably going to kick in, just letting you all know. You know what I'm saying? This is still a solid uptrend. We're still only retesting the 50. These buys still look good to me, but the dirty today is just being very, very... It's just enticing us. Literally, that's all it's doing. It's enticing us. Okay, and that's a very solid rejection coming in. However, okay, so I'm gonna just stop looking at the dirty right now, but look at Nasty still climbing. Come on, you guys. Is anyone still holding any sort of positions, be it runners or feelers on Nasty? Because if you guys are, y'all are making fucking money right now. Long session, break that algo. Yeah, man, but we still have just 6 people on YouTube, okay? You know what I want you guys to be doing from tomorrow? I kid you all not, okay? Look at Nasty, man. From tomorrow, I want you guys to... Milton, is there a way we can get them to open up YouTube and keep it open and only then we give them the link for Zoom? Do you think we can do that? They may be cheap antics, you guys, but come on, we've been doing this as a free service for you guys, okay? We just need a little help from y'all at this time. Hey, man, thank you so much, Jared. I appreciate you, brother. That's really, really sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. W Cram, bro. You're welcome. Been keeping both on just to see your reaction on the dubs. You see me now when I start screaming and all of that good stuff, huh? Guys, realize your profits, okay? It's all good. Listen, this has been a painful session. Look at that. But you know what's important? What's important is we still close the goddamn day in profits. Okay? That's what matters in these markets. The fact that we have risk management and the fact that we always close a day in profits, irrespective of how choppy these markets want to be. Alright, guys, do we have any final questions about anything at all? I see we have people that are leaving the session already because I'm guessing y'all have made your pips and y'all are done for the day. We have one more slot that's open for the one-on-ones. Listen, for the guys that are new on here, if y'all want to start trading these markets the right way, like everyone else over here, the understanding that they have, if y'all want to be trading those markets, these markets, then make sure to message CramFX or message... Did I just say message CramFX? Make sure to message CashFX or myself, okay? Because, listen, guys, we're not going to be doing this for too long. I promise y'all that, okay? It's just... We've spent so much time with the one-on-ones right now. All we want to do moving forward is concentrate on our business, that is forex trading. If you guys are on YouTube, y'all should be seeing that behind me, okay? That's all that we're trying to focus on. It's forex trading, and it's not... I'm not gonna have the time to take on new intakes. I'm telling you guys, y'all will regret this. 2 more months, less than 2 months, like a month and a half more, I am going to completely stop taking in new intakes. Yes, we'll probably be hiring newer people onto the team to teach you guys and all of that good stuff. But me, personally, CramFX is not going to be teaching you guys. I mean that, okay? I'll teach you all on the lives. I'll be doing all of that stuff here, but the one-on-ones are just not going to happen because I'm not going to have the bandwidth to get that done for you guys, okay? So if y'all are looking to get booked up, now's the time. 1 slot open for this week. Actually, we had no slots open for this week, but someone kept us hanging yesterday, and which is why we're still able to give that slot out to you guys. So go ahead, message Cash, message me, and let's get you booked up. Ask anyone. We have 120 plus people on the program. Ask any one of them. They'll all tell you how undervalued these sessions are, because the truth is, all we're trying to do is spread what we know to you guys. Listen, man. Forex trading, it changed our lives. I kid you all not, okay? Look me in the eye right now. Literally, the guys on YouTube, look me in the eye and you'll know how freaking serious I am about this. But it changed our lives completely, okay? All we're trying to do is pass that on for you guys, because I by no means am the smartest guy out there. I'm a filmmaker. I'm an actor. I come from a zero financial background, and I truly believe if I can crack this, you guys can as well, okay? So me and my wife, we've spent the past 7 years figuring out the strategy for you guys, creating the strategy not just for y'all, not just for us, but for you guys as well. Our army of millionaires, okay? You want to get learning, because man, if you're going to be slacking, trust me, a 9 to 5 works well for you. It's all good, you know. I get it. Everyone has a different pace. Everyone is different. If you think that a 9 to 5 is going to keep you happy for the rest of your life, congratulations. I wish you all the luck. But for everyone else that wants to fall in that 0.1%, stick around, because we're going to take you on that journey, and I promise you guys, we're going to make y'all the freaking army of millionaires. Alright guys, this was an awesome session. It taught us a lot. a lot of choppiness, a lot of bullshit, but we still close the day in the blues, and we still close the day looking good. All right, so guys, I'm letting you all know, watch in the next 6 minutes. As soon as I hit close on this session, just see what's gonna happen. I'll tell you what's gonna happen. All right, I'm calling it that. All right, I'm gonna put my profits out for you guys when it happens, but just see for that to play out. Okay, thank you guys so much. Listen, cram one question. The bullish divergence on dirty that I mentioned previously was between the two double bottoms candle, 1330, 1740. Let me break that down for you real quick. All right, on the RSI 1330. Okay, there. Yeah, I wouldn't. This wouldn't work out as divergence for me, Raul. Look at that, and look at that, right? And look at that, and look at that. You get what I'm saying? So I would like price to have, if we were making this sort of a trend on price over here, that's when I would consider it divergence. But apart from that, this is pretty straightforward. It's just an uptrend in price. Got it? Awesome. Cool. Do we have any final questions at all, you guys? Motivational cram of the army of millionaires is what I strive being a part of. Hey man, we're here to freaking make this happen for you guys. All right, we're here to make this happen. We're here to just pull through for y'all, because man, trust me, okay, we're gonna keep doing this. We're not stopping, and we're just going to keep pushing for you guys, all right? Listen, thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank you for pulling through such a choppy session with me, and we'll catch you guys for London tomorrow. Listen, Cash has been extremely sick, okay? She was pushing to come on for London today. She couldn't stand up, and I was like, babe, shut up. Sorry, I'm not gonna swear, not in front of my wife, not to my wife, but I straight up told her that you're not going on for London. You need rested out. You need to relax, okay? And she did. She's been sleeping. Look at fucking Nasty, by the way. She's been sleeping. I'm gonna see how she feels tomorrow. She's gonna force me to let her come on. I'm gonna see you guys. I'm sorry if she's not feeling well. I'm not gonna. I'd rather have her rest up and feel better for the new week. But if she's feeling just fine, she's gonna come on and do London for y'all. And I'm still gonna be here for New York. All right. Also, last thing, the Zoom links, so the links that you got today with the ID and password, it's going to be the same. All right, moving forward for every session, be it London, be it New York, for the regulars on here, y'all are going to have the same links that y'all can keep using to get back on Zoom. Okay, so y'all don't need to keep waiting for me to send you the links. Y'all know what it is. We're gonna have the Zoom call opened up about 15 minutes before we start the session. Join in, make sure you're in here, and we'll have a good trading. We'll have a good trading day tomorrow as well. Okay, thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash. This is Forex Trading, and fuck man, I can't forget Millzone. I'm not gonna do that to the best business partner anyone could ask for. So I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and Millzone. Alright? Signing out, you guys. Thank you.